Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to boost your FPS in Counter-Strike 2. Firstly, in video settings, set texture and shadow to low. High settings can increase details but consume more GPU power. Now, turn off VSync because it can prevent FPS caps and screen lag. Now, reduce MSAA will reduce the graphical load and boost FPS. Finally, disabling these options like motion blur and depth of field is unnecessary effects, so it will free up resources. Reducing the in-game resolution can provide a significant FPS boost. While this may affect image sharpness, it can greatly improve performance on lower-end systems. Also, of course, update your graphic drivers and always close background programs when you play. And if you have the option, enable it, which is high performance mode in Windows. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.